Hey guys! Today we're making something so magical and cute, even real lychees are gonna feel jealous. Grab your aprons, let's bake. First things first, let's wake up that premium Longjing tea with some hot water. Ah, that aroma! Now into the blender, soaked white kidney beans, lotus seeds, sugar, a dash of matcha powder, and our freshly brewed tea. Blend it until it's smoother than my pickup lines. Time for a cozy spa treatment in the pan. Pour it all in and stir fry on low heat. Keep going until it forms a nice, non-sticky paste. Let it cool down and then portion them out into neat little balls. Now let's get our hands messy. We need to prep both the oil skin and the pastry dough. Knead them carefully, wrap them up like a secret agent's top secret document, and let them rest. Roll it flat, roll it up, and repeat. Trust me, all this rolling feels like a workout, but it's completely worth it for those buttery, flaky layers we all love. Now, flatten that dough disc like a pro, pop in your fragrant green tea filling right in the center, and seal it up tightly. Roll it gently into a smooth ball. Boom, round one complete. Time to make it look like a real lychee. Mix up your outer crust dough with a subtle touch of pink or red. Wrap it around our green tea ball and use a tool to press in that bumpy, textured lychee pattern. Look at how adorable that looks! Pop them into the preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 30 minutes. Look at that gorgeous, golden, crispy finish. And now, the moment of truth. Let's slice it open. Just look at those layers. Crunchy, flaky, and absolute perfection. Enjoy!